In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Asphalt 8 car racing game on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get this game app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app on your Android smartphone. Now from here, go ahead and tap on it, then log into your Play Store using your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you should see a search bar here. Or if you can see the search bar, then go ahead and look for a search icon down below. Just tap on it. And now here you should be able to search for your app. So I'll go ahead and type the name of the app. And as you can see, Asphalt 8 is here. I'll select it. And now here is our app. To know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Gameloft SE. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.6 with over 10 million reviews. Currently, this game app has over 500 million downloads, and the file is somehow huge, 128 MBs. If you see these details, then you will know that you have the right app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Asphalt 8 car racing game and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and start playing it. Or if you go back to your apps, now you should be able to see we have the app here. You can launch it directly from here to start playing. So that's how you can install the right Asphalt 8 car racing game app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.